Okay, today we're going to transplant a root-bound Phoenix canariensis. And it's not just one Phoenix canariensis in this pot. There's about 7 of them. I grew them from seed. We have a bunch of them in planters, and you see how it's pushing itself out of this pot. So I found a bigger pot. I hope this works. Yeah. I pray it works. It's wider at the top. One of the key is to get it down into the pot. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Anyway, that's the only pot I have. So it is wider at the top, which is a good thing, although the depth isn't that much deeper than this one. So anyway, I put a bunch of seeds in a pot there a decade ago, and it was in a smaller pot when they started out, and now they've outgrown this pot. So, and I know Wendy is kind of picky about the colors of pots she uses. So that's all I have right now is a terracotta pot. Make sure you wear gloves, because these things are really sharp. They got sharp spines up the petioles, or kind of long ones. You don't want to jab yourself. And I wear glasses too, because I don't want to get poked in the eye. I'm going to use sea soil today. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of it on the bottom of this pot. Pour, and the other one I got to do too. Okay, so very little. God, I hope this works okay. We're going to find out. Let's just see. Okay, so a little bit of sea soil there. Now the trick is getting this out of the pot. Hopefully it'll just slide out because it's already pushing itself out. So let's see how we can get these Canary Island date palms out. Oh my God, that's no better, man. It is actually, the only good thing about it is I can actually put more soil around it, but oh, that's terrible. But that's the only pot I have for now. So it's gonna have to be until I actually I'm gonna have to go off island. I don't know if I can get a bigger pot here on island. And in the blue pot, I'm gonna transplant one of Wendy's lilacs. Okay, so that, oh man, what a bummer. Beautiful palms though, eh? What do you think? So let's put some of this around it. Sea soil, you know what sea soil is? I don't know if it's going to be much happier in here. We're going to find out. This is going to be a temporary fix. And then I'm going to have to transplant it to a bigger pot. This is no good. A taller pot. So this one's wider, not taller. Oh man, kind of sucks. Gonna have to do for now. I don't think I have anything in the nursery either if it's this big but this tall. That sucks. This is too big for its britches here. That's the problem. Shit. I'm glad I got lots of sea soil. So more sea soil here. Wendy's gonna say, what's the point? That's what she's gonna say. What was the point of that, right? Well, hopefully it'll be happier until we get the bigger pot, a taller pot. We'll see. I hate seeing these things push out like this. I should have done this a while ago. My bad. This is a very rich soil mix. But, you know, the problem is the top of these roots are probably going to dry out, and that's not a good thing either. Top portion of this. The only good thing is, this is a very rich soil mix, so put some on top too. I think I collected the seed for these on the Hawaiian Islands. I collect so much seed, you know, so, but I did grow these from seed. And I think we have, well, there's 7 in here, I think. And then we have some other ones in pots, big ones. So Wendy's is planted in the ground. Well, they're a short-term palm here. They're not going to survive long-term. It's not going to waste my time. I've experimented with these lots over the years. You've probably seen some of my videos. So no, it's not going in the ground. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get. Unfortunately, too small of a pot or too big of a palm. Palms. Annoying. That actually annoys me. I thought that pot was a lot deeper, but anyway, I got some soil on the bottom, which the other one didn't have. And yeah, I wish I could grow it in the ground. In Tofino, I have a friend over there that actually does have one in the ground and is getting quite big. Okay. So put this back. And that is the finished product for now. It's short term. Oh yeah. That is a freaking. I'll grab that and I'll show you. Get these muddy gloves off. Oh my God, what a joke. There it is. And that's how much sticking out of this pot. So pot is wider, but it needs to be about that much higher. Right? Anyway, they're beautiful palms, and when I'm over on the Big Island, which is shortly, I will look for a taller pot. Actually, I need 3 taller pots because we have 3 big date palms and we have another one in a smaller pot, which is catching up. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't do it like that. Cheers from the Gulf Islands.